This is an old weed whacker, but man, I love this thing. It's nice and light, and starts every single time. This broke off. Throttle cable, the Z-bin. So I don't have one, and I'm going to see. I was thinking about just putting a cable in the hole and just hold on to the cable here and just while I'm using it, just to get finished. But I just might take the time to maybe fix it or do something. See what I can do. In here, there's a hole that the cable goes in and it clamps. I'm going to see if I can maybe drill a little hole there. Anyway, we'll be right back. A T25. That's what I thought. T25. Take those two screws out, and well, maybe they're not. Maybe that's why I had all the tape on there. Maybe there's no screw in there, no bolt. Yeah, there's a screw, all right. It's a Robinson deck screw I got in there. Well, certainly fit pretty tight. You guys, I can hear you laughing now. Well, what's this? Okay. So, take the barrel in out of there. What's the chances now, guys, of me being able to just do. Yeah, well, you know what? I'm going to have to pull that out. I got cable, but I don't have the ends, which suck. Just in case you guys didn't see the little clip that I had quite some time ago about how to cut. I just got to find out here now what way this goes. Okay. Counterclockwise is the way to go. All right. And then like that. Now this cable is quite a bit bigger than the original. Let's see if this will fit in that little tiny hole. Oh baby, it just might. Is it coming out? Man, it's only like a foot or so. Why isn't it coming out? Oh yeah, baby, oh yeah. So it fits. Anywho, what we shall do is maybe eat this up a little bit and see if we can't fuck that up. Now my idea is, Einstein is not my daddy, so my idea is to slightly bugger this up. I don't know if it's lid or if you heat it up, maybe it will just pull out of there. I don't know. I'm not a small engine guy. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. I did not claim to be that smart. So folks, I tried getting a throttle cable for this thing and I couldn't find it nowhere. I didn't spend my whole life looking for it, but I did go on eParts Replace and Amazon. eBay had one, but I don't want to go spending more money than what this thing is even worth. I mean, you spend $40 for a cable, $30 for a cable, sure you can buy a new one for $100 or something. So so I had one of these, that particular thing right there. So that hooks in pretty good. And I put in some cable, come down to the throttle. However, the barrow end, I call it, I couldn't find any of those on Amazon. So at the time of filming this video, yeah, I've had this on the computer for probably over 2 years, but at the time of doing this, there wasn't any that I could find. But as you've seen, I put the picture up. They're on the Amazon now, but I'm still using this thing. It's more like 3 years since I've done this, and yeah, it's working great. So, but I didn't find the barrel in, so I kind of just made my own from a nail, drilled it out, put it in, and then soldered it or something. So it's a little stiff, right? You got to push the throttle down to stop it, because the spring here, I could tighten it up, I guess, but it works good enough for me. So, but yeah, so that's the what I had to do to keep this thing going.